Congratulations on getting this far. You've learned how to animate text and objects, how to add sound effects to your animations, and how to record narrations. You've also seen me make a full video from start to finish, and hopefully picked up a few ideas for your own videos along the way. Ultimately, I hope that this course has provided you with the know-how needed to enhance your projects with a few, and it's the last time I'll say it, awesome animated videos.
But because you've been such a great student, I want to help you even further on your quest to make, okay, I lied, awesome animated videos. Thus, in the download section of this lecture, you'll find a free PowerPoint template, fully animated and ready for you to fill it with your custom content.
In case you're curious, here's how the template looks when saved as a video and mixed with some background music. What are you waiting for? Get to work making some videos. I'm Evan Vanderwerker. Thanks again for watching.